What up with y'all? Back in for another video. It's your boy, got dog. We up. We at this early. Look who with me. Yeah. Let me show y'all what we doing. You know what I'm talking about? My boy come through, pick me up this morning. You know what I'm talking about? With the chicken? Oh, my mama, with the chicken? Let me show y'all what I do to a chicken. You understand? Love that chicken, this ain't Popeye. Yeah. Alright, so look. Well, you see how for the kids that sandwich. Alright, so look. I know this ain't the video y'all wanted to see, but there the truck go. You know what I'm talking about? There the truck. It's at my house. I told you, I ain't tell y'all, I told y'all in the other video that I ain't posted yet. It's at my house. Here, for real, it's at my house. Let me show y'all something, y'all. Better believe it. Look at the gas. Look at the gas. Yeah, we ain't too much doing no capping over here. Keep trying to tell y'all this here what I do real life on my mama. I got to go earn a paycheck. You understand me? Then go do this. Touch you gang. Touch you gang. Yeah, this what we doing though. Huh? Yeah, you understand me? Uh-oh.
What you doing, bro?
Man, look. Told you I got some camera equipment. I'm trying to learn better, bro. I'm out here trying to see what it do, bro. Tell you that. That mug, you know what I'm talking about? Looking real life. I'm playing with it with these settings. It was looking brown. I didn't know why. And I started playing with this stuff. I'm gonna get it. See, check it out. Man, look. I was trying to figure out why that mud was looking brown. But this is a good shot though. Watch it, watch it. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Told y'all 2019, I'm trying to up game. I'm trying to up game, upgrade on my mama. Yeah. For real. Yeah. Y'all know about that? That's a Mississippi stuff right there.
Sold the intake manifold to one of my subscribers and followers. Follow me on IG, Coyote_Dave.
Right now.
Yeah. Right now.
Say, bro, I'm the one taped your box.
Yeah, your package is on the way, and it'll be there Monday. But Ken kind of messed your box
Yeah,
up.
bro, don't get mad at 2 times, bro. I just called myself helping, bro.
It's gonna be good though.
Yeah, it's straight though.
It's gonna get there and say we got it all bubble wrapped and stuff.
Boy, I put so much tape on that mug, boy.
Yeah.
If anything, the box gonna get loose for that tape, dude. Real talk. Hey, look, let me show y'all something, bro. These tummy yummies, bro. These tummy yummies. These mugs ain't there for 99 cents, bro. You got to get the green one. You got to get the green one, bro. These mugs.
What is that, green apple? That's what it smell like.
Yeah. This mug has got 100% daily value vitamin C, B6, and 12. No sodium, no spill sport cap.
No cap.
No cap. get you some, my mom. Boy, I'm enjoying myself.
She took the picture. I got home camera.
Yeah, look, she done got me on film. Yeah, what up with it? Straight out of Mississippi. Yeah.
That was loud.
Man, look, bro, the shoot went real good, bro.
really did.
The shoot went good, bro. We got some real, like, good footage, bro. I swear to goodness. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Look at some of these pictures we got at the shoot. We up here, we at Cane's right now. But look at these.
Phone disconnected.
Look at some of this here from the shoot, man. Hold up, that's the stuff beforehand when I playing with the settings. Look at this. That one blurry, but look at that, man.
Ice.
Ice, bro. Real talk. Look at that. Come on, man. Let me show y'all this. Show y'all a little sneak peek. Come on, man. Give me some props, y'all. Come on, man. Give me some props. Can't show y'all too much. Give me some props, man. Come on, man. Yeah.